Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's edition we're going to be making coconut milk. Look at that milk now. So guys, first things first, you have to get your fresh coconut, emphasis on fresh. Ensure that your coconuts are fresh so that you can get the best out of the milk. So I get my coconut shelled properly and I start by breaking it up to remove the water. If you like coconut water, you can keep it, sieve it properly and use it in your smoothies. You can even drink it, or you can make it a part of your coconut rice. I start by removing the shells. Yes, this can be a lot of work, especially if you're not used to this kind of activity. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Kindly subscribe. Also hit the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. Watch this video to the end, like, comment and share. There are a lot of people who do not know how to make coconut milk, and by sharing this video, they get to learn. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. So I have successfully shelled and removed all the thick shells of the coconut, and this is me trying to rinse it off because it comes with a whole lot of dirt that comes with the skin or the shells. Rinse this properly. Now you can decide whether you want to remove the direct skin, that is this brown part on the coconut. For instance, if you're making flakes, you can remove the skin, but if you're making just coconut milk, you don't necessarily need to remove the skin like this. So however, I went ahead to cut up my coconuts into smaller sizes so to make the work easier for my blender. I'm done cutting it up. Take a look at it. I think I used about five medium-sized coconuts, and in my blender I'm going to pour this in. Please ensure you add a generous amount of water so that you don't put your blender in a tight corner or in a very bad condition, and to avoid it risking its spoilage, especially if the kind of blender you are using is not really badass. After blending, pour this into a clean cheesecloth and squeeze it properly. Please, as you're squeezing this, ensure minimal hand contact. You can use a pair of tongue or something really strong to squeeze it, and ensure you squeeze it out properly. The chaff is going to be very useful. I did this in batches and squeezed out all the milk. This is the amount of coconut milk I got. This coconut milk can be used to cook different dishes, rice dishes, pasta dishes. It can also be used to make smoothies as a healthier alternative or as your liquid. This particular chaff or residue I got can be used to feed animals. You can also use it in vegan recipes or keto recipes. Transfer into jars and you can store in your refrigerator, or you can store in your freezer for long usage.